How to get access to folders while exporting the video in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the folder while when you wanted to upload the photo or import the photo in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's get started. Open the YT Create application, and you can see if I tap right here on the plus icon, so it will give access to my gallery. Now if I wanted to select the folder videos, all I have to do is tap right here on this gallery with the small icon, and now you can see all of the folders that you have in your mobile phone. Now you can select any of the folder from there, and you can select the videos, you can select the pictures, you can select any of the folder from there.